Restore points create a backup of the current software configuration so that reverting to previous settings becomes quick and easy. A user with administrative rights can create a restore point by opening the Setup screen and then in the Server's Setup screen, choose the Configuration Backup tab. Select an appropriate backup path and apply. Once this is done, clicking the Manage Config Backup button will allow the user to create a backup on the server simply by selecting the option and clicking Next. What this does is copy all the configuration settings to a compressed file stored in the chosen path. Restoring a configuration backup requires the admin user to once again navigate to the Configuration Backup tab in the Server Setup, and after clicking the Manage Config Backup button, select the Apply Saved Backup option from the pop-up window. A window will open with a list of existing backup files. Select the required one and click Apply. After carefully reading the warning screen, click Yes to continue. After the server restarts, the configuration restore will be complete. Thank you for watching.